are approaching Disney Springs. Oh, and to our right is Typhoon Lagoon. But more importantly, Disney Springs. We got some cool shopping and dining to do on this trip. So, come on with us and experience it. Disney Springs. Pretzels.
You've already had one of those.
I did have a Mickey pretzel today, actually.
Fresh one.
Yeah, it was so fresh. One of the best ones I've had. Oh, those birds.
They're growing up in that.
It's a nice little area. I didn't even know this existed yet. There's Saratoga Springs. Old Key West down there somewhere. The giant balloon. It's good to be home. Reservation seat at homecoming. Seating at homecoming, and it is coming down out here. It's Florida, and I love it. Well, that was lightning.
Oh man, this is big.
Over to Ron Jon Surf Shop, and the rain appears to be slowing down a bit.
As it stops raining, hey, Dad was going to get mine. Let's go now.
Lego store has a huge line in front of it, and I'm afraid the World of Disney might have one also. Five exits to the World of Disney, but only one entrance.
Yeah, it's around this.
It's crazy. The entrance to the World of Disney is all the way over here now, like by the parking lots and stuff. And there's only one entrance, only like 6 exits. That's crazy. World of Disney.
We like to hold buzzing in.
Hi, this is going to be my American. This will be my name, and this is your name.
So at the Star Wars Trading Post store right over there, I got this. It's a Galaxy's Edge Coca-Cola bottle. It's really cool. It wasn't that expensive. It's a nice little souvenir to have. I've been wanting one of these for a while, but I'm gonna definitely go back there and see if I can get myself something else later on this trip.
Ace money.
There's that place last year when we saw the Stormtrooper. M&M store. It's so cool. There was one in New York, and the one in New York was our favorite store in Times Square for one main reason. It's the only place in all of Times Square there's public bathrooms.
Look at the one.
And now there's one here. It's so cool. Oh, there's a huge line for it. Oh, no. Cirque du Soleil. And that NBA studio, which is also really cool. We are approaching the Orange Garage. Yeah, there's Splitsville. I gotta go there sometime. It looks so cool. It's so big, too. The Orange Garage. Well, we'll be definitely back at Disney Springs multiple times this trip. We got a lot of dining reservations. So I might make some more videos on that. I might cram them onto this video. It really depends. We are eating at the boathouse and this is honestly probably one of the best seats in the house other than the boat itself. It's so cool here. I love it.
The fans are really cool too. Look at that.
Yeah, the fans are. They have those at Cheddar's too. That's cool.
Look at the little Polly.
That's amazing. Those are actual cars from the 60s.
We're going to Blizzard Beach. Blizzard Beach. It's been years. It is now 5:30 and the park just closed. We are getting out just in time. This was a great day. We made it all the way to 5:30. Full day at Blizzard Beach. So much. Really closely out there, you can see Summit Plummet. It's to the left of the telephone pole and to the right of Coronado Springs, way out there. I can't get a close enough shot, but it's right there, right to the left of that big telephone pole and to the right of Coronado Springs. It's crazy. We were literally just there.